If you were to name a sunglass after me, what would you name it?
You know, it's funny, Costa actually already has one named after you, Bimini.
Tyler, my name's Brittany.
I've been calling you Bimini this whole time. Hello, this is Tyler. I am here with Brittany, definitely not Bimini, now I know. And we are talking about the Costa Bimini. It is a new addition to Costa's more kind of fashion forward line. We're pretty excited about it, and so are all of the ladies in the office. One very notable difference is that this frame is made out of acetate. Also, it looks super nice. Try them on, throw them on. One thing to note about what they call this shape, they call it a cat eye. I think it's more of what I used to always refer to as a modern cat eye. It's not that really bold, wild, crazy cat eye look, but it definitely has that sort of cat eye aesthetic. What do you think?
I agree with that. I think it's like a perfect subtle cat eye. So it's so cute and it gives like a good feminine face shape.
Cute indeed. Some other features that are in this line that I really like, and it's a cool attention to detail that you do find quite often with Costa, is the logo on the side is made out of mother of pearl, a little inlaid mother of pearl, little nod to the seafaring farers out there. But this is their Del Mar collection. We really like it. A couple of things to note: in non-prescription, only available in glass, the 580G. They are available in prescription, and in prescription they are also available in glass, but also in trivex. If you have either a stronger prescription or you want something that's a little more impact resistant and lighter weight. Totally adjustable temple, which is unique over some of the more sport styles, which is nice. So she's gonna tell us some frame measurements right now, and I'll tell you why that matters.
So the lens width is at 54.3 millimeters. The lens height is 45.8 millimeters. The nose bridge is 19.9 millimeters. That's pretty close to a 20. The hinge to hinge is 137 millimeters. And then the temple arm length is 140 millimeters.
So that 140 millimeters, some people contact us and saying, I'm a little worried about this, the temple seems long. Don't stress, because it's an adjustable temple, so you can wrap it behind the ear a little better, get that more custom fit. And this is coming in according to Costa, and we agree, it's kind of a large fit. You might be able to wear it if you're more of a medium face.
Like me.
Like her. So definitely give them a try. We're a big fan of this frame, and hopefully you are too.
If you like this video, you can find more from our Instagrams at SportRx.
Thanks, Bimini. Brittany.